Understanding the APN on an LG phone. If you are activating your LG phone with a new carrier, sometimes the phone will not automatically obtain the APN or access point name that is used to allow data connectivity with their network. Most devices will automatically obtain the correct APN information from the carrier's SIM card when it is inserted into the phone, powered up, and connected to their network. However, this doesn't always happen seamlessly. Usually, unlocked devices allow modification of the APN. We recommend contacting the carrier you are trying to connect to before attempting to modify or add an APN. If you are moving your LG phone from its original carrier to a new carrier, you might need the original carrier to unlock the phone to allow for APN modification. In this instance, please contact the original carrier of the phone, as only they can assist with unlocking it. To see if your LG phone allows for modification of the APN, open Settings. Then under Wireless Networks, tap More. Tap on Mobile Networks, then tap on Access Point Names, and tap on the three dots at the top right to see if New, Add, or Edit is there. If not, then you cannot edit the APN. If you do see one of those options, then contact the carrier you are using and ask them for the information needed to fill out the APN. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.